hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shamu and this is my channel, and if you're watching this for first time, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to never miss any of my updates. And today I'm going to do a Shein haul. Yes, recently I bought few items from Shein and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's get started into the video. So this is how the packaging received, and the good thing about the Shein is they all come at once. Unlike Amazon or something, Nykaa, Shein, they all just parcel everything you order at once, and that's the best thing I like about such websites. You don't have to wait for a long time for each and every one of your items to arrive. So let's get started. The first item we have here is this cute holographic wallet. I am so into the holographic stuff lately, so I totally loved the wallet when I just saw it and I decided that I should get it. It's a basic one with just a cute little cat over it and tiny ears over here. And this is how it looks when you open it. It's a basic wallet with two pockets, and the quality is also very good, and yes, this is one of my favorite things from the haul. And secondly, we have this pink color crop hoodie, and this is a basic one with just plain pink color hoodie. This is how it looks. It has no design in the front, it only has written East Coast on the sleeves. You can see it's better view in the picture. Yeah, this is how exactly it looks, and yes, the quality is good, the material is soft, and yes, I like this. Although I do think the hoodie is a little bit overpriced, but it's fine. And the next thing we have here is this gold choker. This is one of the favorite things in the entire haul. It's a very basic arrow shaped design, and it's so simple but yet very elegant. Like, it's perfect for even on Indian outfits and also on Western outfits. You can have a closer look over here. And next I have bought few bracelets over here. First one is this silver color charm bracelet, and I totally love this because of these charms. It has a camera over it because I'm a YouTuber and I love camera. Yes, this is perfect. And I also love traveling, so yes, the plane. And there's a little quote engraved on here: every journey starts with one step. Yes, I totally believe this. So this charm is a very cute and appropriate charm for me. And I got this for around 61 rupees, but I do think the price is a little higher right now. But for 61 rupees, I think this is perfect. This is the next bracelet I have. It's a 4-piece bracelet. 4 different bracelets over here. One with arrows over it, and the other one with a knot bracelet, and one with love. And this is a chain one with a tiny cactus over it. And lastly, in jewelry, I got this cute little perk figurine. I love junk jewelry and I wear a lot of rings, so this ring is so cute and so nice. If you love animals and also rings, I think this is very perfect. It's a resizable ring, so yeah, that's a good thing, and I love the design and everything. I think yeah, it's very cute and nice. So the next up is this pillow cover. It's rose gold and silver sequin pillow cover, and these kind of pillow covers are so in trend because I just wanted this so that I can scribble something over it. And yes, I'm also thinking of changing my background, so I think this adds so much cuteness in when I put this in the backdrop. And you can have a few different colors over here, but I chose this one. I think this goes perfect with my backdrop. Talking about the backdrop, I also bought this star string lights. There are 20 stars in the string light, and I got this for about 280 or something. You can see the price over here, and I totally love them. This is how they look. There are, I think, two colors. One is the white one and the other is the warm yellow color, and it has two types of light connections. Like one is it stays like this, and the other is it blinks. Yeah, so I think this adds so much cuteness to my background. The only thing I am disappointed is I thought the stars would be a little bit tiny in size, but they're kind of little huge, but still fine. I love it. And lastly, I got 3 brooches. The first one packet consists of 3 brooches in one set, and my favorite one has to be this unicorn one. I totally love it, and the other two also fine, but my favorite one should be this. And this is the other one, and if you love music and musical instruments, this is so perfect. It's a rose gold stone studded violin one. It's tiny, that makes it more cuter. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press that bell icon to never miss any of my updates. Until then, meet you in my next video.